Hello everyone, I'm Sylvian from Cirrus Link. Today I'm going to show you the Service Mount Device Replacement SMD capacitor replacement. Today I have a customer came in and told us the laptop cannot be turned on. Once he connect to the power and try to press the on off button, nothing happened at all. And we open the case and have a look inside, found out one of the caps is burned. Most of the technician will tell you the motherboard damage or fail, but what we are going to do is we replace the small part for you, and after we replace the cap, it's all working again. Computer can be turned on.